Am I the a-hole for disposing of my pats in my boyfriend's bathroom? Okay, so my boyfriend, 23 male, and I, 18 female, have been together for about 3 months now. This is the first time that I've spent the night over his flat while I was on my period. Ever since yesterday, I've been changing my pads in his bathroom, and each time I wrap the used pad in a plastic wrapper and put it in the trash can. The trash can has a lid and there's a plastic garbage bag in there, so the only thing that the pad was touching was the trash that was already inside. I genuinely didn't think it was a big deal until my boyfriend took out the trash this morning. While he was doing so, he noticed the plastic wrappers in the bag. He knew they were the packaging for my pads because he's seen me buy them before. And quite outraged, he asked me whether my used pads were also in the trash bag. I told him yes, and he dropped the bag, calling me disgusting and telling me to take out the trash myself. I did, but then I asked him where else I should have put my pads, and he told me I could have just kept them in my purse until I got home. I'm staying at his place for 3 nights because we both have some time off, and I wasn't going to keep used pads in my purse for days on end. He said that he didn't want my blood all over his trash and that I should find another way to dispose of my pads ASAP. I tried to reason with him, but he was set in his opinion. I think it's a bit childish for an adult straight man to be disgusted by such a natural thing. But when I texted my brother, male 19, he sided with my boyfriend. So since they both agree, now I'm questioning if I'm the a-hole. Dude, I feel so bad for this girl. The fact that she even has to come to the internet about this. Clearly she did nothing wrong and this guy deserves to be single. He is such an a-hole. And honestly, her brother sucks too. Who would put their pads in their purse? That makes no sense. So you guys let me know in the comments, who's the a-hole?